Hello to our Black group. This is your last journal for the week. You made it to Thursday. Congrats, the end of our e-learning week for our second week. So we're going to go through our journals today. Before we get started, if you've got a device at home, you have access to it to use it, why don't you go and grab it, because it will be important for our journal. We're going to try to find some of those core words. So parents, I'm going to remind you again, the options have words in all caps. And any of those words in all caps you can likely find pretty easy in the devices. Don't stress yourself out about trying to find every single word, but it would help just to be able to find those in. And you can also focus on words of the week this week, which are read and look. So, all right, now we have our devices. We're going to get started. Our journal for today is nail file. If you need to at any time, pause the video, go look up a video on YouTube about nail files, someone using one, or look up extra pictures, that's fine. So our first question is green or group. What category does it go in, a nail file? Does it have to do with feelings or does it have to do with personal hygiene? Go ahead and pause your video, maybe find some of those words on your device, find your answer, and you can comment below. All right, next is blue, which is do. What do you do with it, or what does it do? So looking at our pictures here, maybe a video you watched, a nail file. Does it help file your nails down, or does it help file papers? So find some of those core words, pick your answer, and put it below. Okay, next is look like. This has 3 different parts to it. So what does it look like? What size, shape, color is it? So our nail file, are they short or they are long? So find some of those words in all caps. Put your answer below. Okay, we're still talking about look like. Now we're going to talk about if they look rough or if they look smooth. So pause your video, find those core words again, look, one of our words of the week, and put it down below. All right, last part for look like is the colors. So are they all gray colored or do they come in many colors? Pause your video and put your answer below. Okay, next is wood. What is a nail file made of? You have 2 options. Are they made up of cardboard or are they made up of grass? Go ahead and find some of those core words in all caps and put your answer below. Next is pink or parts. What are the parts of a nail file? So do they have lids on them or do they have edges? Go ahead, pause your video, use those devices to find those core words, and then put your answer below. Okay, next is white, or where would you see a nail file, or where would you use it? Would you use it in the bathroom or in a pool? Go ahead and pause your video, find those core words, and put your answer below. All right, our last one is orange. What else do you know about a nail file? So do they have them at nail salons or are some electric? Go ahead and find your core words, your answer, and put it below. All right, once you've gotten all of your answers together, you can type them in a comment box below. We will like the comment after we see it to see your hard work. If that's not working, there will also be a link in the description that takes you to a Google form where parents, you can have them type those in for each color in the Google form also if the comments aren't working. So thank you guys for working so hard on your journal this week. We'll see you next week for a journal.